what was it like for me to shoot my first movie? I would say it was great. It was amazing. Cause acting is something that I love doing. Seeing myself playing the main character in the movie, I mean, I'm proud of myself, and I'm also pleased. The movie's done and the outcome, and it's just great.
To be honest with you, it was great. It was a great experience. I loved it. I loved each and every moment of it. Like I don't really, I'm Haitian and all, but I don't really speak Creole like that. So it was like a great experience to actually be able to read the script and have Sheldon and Betty as a coach actually help me out do that to help me speak Creole. So it was a great experience. I loved it, like every moment.
I have to say I did enjoy myself acting in this movie, and I could definitely relate to the character, so I did enjoy myself.
This film was very special for me because this is my first Haitian film, and I got to work with a lot of great people, and I got to speak some of my language, which I'm not too good at, but I had a lot of tutors, and everyone was so supportive.
The cast, oh man, yo, I felt like, I don't know, it's like leaving home to go home. That's how the cast was. Everybody was just cool, friendly, like we help each other. It was like brothers and sisters on the set, like trying to make something happen, like trying to turn a story into reality, basically. You know what I mean? So the cast was like outstanding. They were, hands down, my people.
The cast. Where do I start? They are crazy, but I love them. What it is they know how to have fun. We had so much fun in the set, and it's just like we fed from each other. Like they fed the energy from me, I fed the energy from them, and I love that, and we help each other out, whatever it may be, and I love that we push each other to be great. And as the movie kept going, we kept getting better, and I love that. I had so much fun with the cast.
The cast was amazing. I came in to the film about nearer to the end, and I've been on other sets where everyone has their established relationships. But when I came in, everyone was open and friendly and hospitable, and everyone treated me like I was always there. And it was just a beautiful foundation for filming, and so it helped everything go smoothly.
Richard, I thought about it. I had a lot of thinking it like, Richard is basically sort of kind of like me. He's giving, he's caring, he sacrifices for his family. Like he'll do anything in any which way that he has to do to support his child. So like I don't know, like I could actually relate to that, personally in my own life. But like it's actually hard to explain because he was raised in a Christian family, and so was I. I could just go on forever to tell you the truth about Richard, but like he was an outstanding man. Every woman would want to be with a Richard, basically. But unfortunately for Richard, he kind of met up with the wrong one. But c'est la vie.
Lionel. I have to say, I was honored to play Lionel because I'm always looking to help and to advise people in life, And I believe God always puts someone into your path to assist when there's trials and tribulations. And I feel like Richard went through a lot in this world where sometimes we do want to get to, we do want to go ahead and believe in the higher power, but there has to be somebody that we know in this world you can make a phone call to just vent and let them know what's going on in your life, and they're able to help you go through it. So I did love that.
Which shooting? The one down the street? No, the movie shooting. I'm just it was the shooting, like every time I get on the set, really, like it was, especially when I have Charlton on the set. Charlton is just, he's like a firecracker. Like this dude explodes. Like Dominique, like she's soft, she's subtle. Betty, she's just Betty. Like Betty's like Betty's like Sophia. I call Betty Sophia, to tell you the truth, but Sophia. But what'd you say? Who's Sophia? Sophia's Betty's character. You want to cut that? Charlotte's crazy. But anyway, yeah. But the vibe was outstanding, man. The vibe was great. Like I love being around my peers, my Haitian family. You know, so it was home away from home.
I gotta say something about the scene where I told him his sister died. That has to be my favorite scene. I mean, I feel like the acting on that scene. I feel like the way we grasped and the emotion and everything that I went through that scene was so heartfelt, you know, and I loved, and I don't even drink, and I took a sip of the Hennessy. What? But yeah, that was my favorite scene, man. For real.
My character, Madame Lionel. Well, I've learned that no matter how large or small someone's role is, everyone's always important. And so, my character, I served as a crutch for Betty's character, and I also served as a crutch for my husband, and I served as a crutch for Richard, and just helped the story of his journey move along smoothly.
The scene that had an effect on me, like the scene that I liked the most, was actually the scene that I did with it was Richard in the park. I think Lionel came over and told me that my sister died, and that kind of actually touched me, like personally, because like I only have one sibling, and that's my younger sister. Now when he told me, and she's like my ace boon coon, like she's my attorney when I was younger. When I got in trouble, like she had my back 110. So when he told me like my sister died, it kind of like triggered him. Like my sister died. Like really? Like it can't be true. It can't be real. Like this is my best friend. Like so, I kind of visualized my sister really dying. So it just touched me, and those are actual tears when I actually poured out crying on Lionel's freaking knee. It was touching, and it was real. Like that scene, I tell you, like that was real. I know. I can't wait till May 28th, man. Like,
it's gonna be rocking.
It's gonna be crazy.
They just watched it just now, didn't they?
I'm ready. My mama's ready. My mama's ready.
Oh yeah.
Yes, we got all the Pierres and all the Jeans. Everybody's
Baptiste,
ready.
Jean Baptiste.
No.
What?
So just plain Jeans. Everybody's ready.
Same. Well, like I mean, I want to know one thing. Like, what would you say to the people, like, to actually get them out to come watch the movie? What would the message be like?
Go ahead, boss lady.
Why am I boss lady?
Because you're the only lady right here.
Cause you're his wife and you're the boss. So there you go.
Okay. I let her think she's the boss. That's how you do it. That's how you know what I mean.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Go ahead.
What would I say to people?
They
I
come
told my
see
mom
you.
I was in it, and that's why. That's why it happened.
Mas se botou, sou sempre de também, jamais mundo dos caras. Mas se botou.
Exactly, and it's a beautiful love story.
Yeah.
So, and
It is,
actually,
it is.
it's dramatic, and it takes lots of twists and turns. So
Yeah, it does.
It is. It is a love story. It's a true story. That's why I was like, it was kind of like, to me, it was like, damn.
She's trifling.
Did he really go through that? You know what I'm saying? Like, for me to play that character, it was just crazy. Like, I don't know. For, let's say, single guy was married, females out there that are married, single. It's a good story. I say it's, They said the book of what was that? Saving Grace or Mary Grace.
Yeah,
Or,
yeah.
What's that? What's that movie that's out right now?
Nobody know what you're talking about.
I don't know.
What movie is that?
But I know this movie's way better than that movie.
Right.
I'm telling you.
Right.
I was like, that was a pointless movie right there.
Wow. You know what? I think it's a beautiful love story because it's so heartbreaking. It's not cliche, the
It's
happy
not like The
ending,
Notebook?
and
Yeah, no happy.
So The Notebook?
no, it's not. It's far from it. But you know, I don't know. It's beautiful. It's heartbreaking, and you feel for him.
Yeah.
Right.
Indeed.
You feel for him.
Director, he's a trip, man. He's a trip, you know. He's like a one man band, man. Like he does it all, you know. But he's crazy. Like if I was to compare him to another director, I think I would have to like combine him with a Quentin and a Mel Gibson and a Ice Cube all together. So, but he's like he knows what he's doing. Like he knows what he wants. He knows what he wants you to do. Like there's so many scenes that we've done like 30 times because we didn't get it right. So, and that kind of like made me realize like he's really serious about his work. He's really passionate about what he does and what kind of like work he want to put into his movie. So like I you know hands out to Richard, the director, and like if he was to do another movie, I'll be more than happy to work with him again. So like he does what he does, and he's really good at what he does.
The director, this dude, let me tell you about this dude. He's time management skills. He has managed that. Professionalism. But this dude is so focused. I never seen. I've been in. Let me see. At least I done at least 4 different movies right now. And I have never seen a director so focused and so ready to. Basically, this dude is ready to do whatever it takes to make this happen. And I love the drive. You could see the passion in him, and that motivated me to be better. And if I could work with him in a different movie, I would definitely do so once again.
I've been working with Richard for a long time. I would say he's a great guy, and he's really like into work. He's ready to, that's his dream.
What? I mean, there's everything in this movie. There's time where we crying, there's time where we laughing, there's time where we basically need each other. In life, I just wanna talk about my role where I'm there for you, and there's sometimes that you have no one to call on but God, of course.
Of course.
But you want to feel somebody's physical person to be here for you. You know what I'm saying? And I thought that was good, and I enjoyed the movie, you guys. I enjoyed it. I watched the trailer so many times.
I know, like I think there's like I don't know how many people that watch it, but I know half of that's me watching it. I'd be at work like, all right, let me watch this thing. Damn, this is a good trailer.
I have back memories of that day.
It's really
each scene you're watching, you're just like, I remember that day.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
It's good stuff, man. Good stuff. For everybody out there that want to come see Saving Love at All Costs, it comes out May 28th.
Right.
Showtime, 7 p.m.
No Haitian time. Woo!
No Haitian time, please. Make sure you get there
Say
early.
5:30, say 5:30.
5:30.
Now, I hate when people do that. 7 o'clock is 7 o'clock.
That's it.
Period. And that's it.
Tickets is on sale right now, so if you want to get your tickets, go on Eventbrite.com and get your tickets. Search for keyword Saving Love at All Costs. Physical tickets, you want to call 508-510-5122. That's over at Starline's Hair Salon.
Oh, yes. That's where I get my line up. Best barber in town,
they're
man.
going fast, so make sure you get your tickets. All right? Hope to see you there May 28th. Be there.
Or be square.
Top nice.
Excuse me?
Excuse me.
How that dance go?